Hello, good evening, my pretty and lovely, gorgeous ladies. How are you doing, all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase lovely koras and organzas fancy collection. Let's start with the mannequins. Color, and we got a zari border, cross curdy with floral vines, and what a lovely pallu. It's a jute, just plain contrast pallu. It's a jute pallu. Everything is in jute, and the border also jute, and the pallu is also jute color. Very pretty beige, and the blouse is also contrast, same color with border. And the sari pricing and details. It's 5,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AI477. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful sari. And to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another gorgeous sari. Beautiful sari, Sandy. Yeah. Let me show you another sari. Yeah, give me that sari. Lovely black color, stunning, super gorgeous sari. Very lovely black shade and the black with pink combination. It's a kora, all over printed florals and zari lines. Cross curdy border with silver zari. And this is the pallu. Zari lines and tassels here down, multicolor tassels. Blouse. Self plain with zari lines and border. Super pretty. And sari pricing and details. It's 6,560. Take a screenshot along with the code Y296. And these koras are very lightweight, Andy. Next sari. One more lovely shade, sage green, kora sari, all over printed florals with beautiful sequence work, border, printed birds and florals, and beautiful kaddi border downside, 1-inch kaddi border. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border, blouse, lovely matka silk blouse, self printed blouse, bit darker shade untundi green color, all over printed buttas and border. And this sari pricing and details. It's 5,920. Take a screenshot along with the code AB485. And you can customize this such kind of blouses, Andy. దీనిపైకి ప్లెయిన్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు. You can go for such kind of blouses. It's a tissue blouse with beautiful Zardosi work. And for customized blouses, lehengas and dupattas, contact our brand or for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another sari. It's a super gorgeous pink Kora sari, all over printed florals and kundan work, and lovely border, cutwork border with Zardosi, pearls, kardana and stones. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with cutwork border, and the blouse, it's a contrast olive green color blouse with work for sleeves and here. And for neck, this is for neck. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AI487. Very lovely shade. Next sari. Dark olive green, printed Kora. Very pretty kanta work and sequence work all over the body here. And this is the border with kanta work and printed blocks. And this is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with border and kanta lines. Let me show you the blouse. It's a printed matka silk blouse with sequence work all over the body. Anta vachindandi work for neck and sleeves. And sari pricing and details. It's 8,080 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code Q441. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Padma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let me show you another sari. Yeah. It's a beige and grey combination shredded sari Kora. Beautiful shredded design. And this is the computerized work, thread embroidery with florals and vines and crochet border downside. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse. Yeah. This is the contrast plain blouse. Sari pricing and details. It's 6,640. Take a screenshot along with the code AH529. And to visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for daily deals. Another sari. Beautiful mint green. Printed Kora sari, floral printed, and lovely Zardosi and Kardana cutwork border. All over kundans vachayandi, body anta akkadakada. And lovely border with cutwork stones, Kardana and Zardosi. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border. Blouse, contrast silk blouse with border like this. Sari pricing and details. It's 6,240. Take a screenshot along with the code AI488. Yeah. Next sari. Beautiful yellow, mustard yellow, printed floral organza. Organza anna Kora anna same fabric andi. All over printed florals as well as kundans. And border, pearls, kardana and stonework. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, contrast red color blouse with work. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AI484. Beautiful sari, lovely combination. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? If not, have a look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yes. Now back to our collection. Do visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for daily deals and for customized designer blouses and lehengas. Contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, please ping us on 7337337000. Next sari. Here it is, white color, printed kora, floral printed, beautiful kundans all over the body and cutwork border with kadana, pearls and stones. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And the blouse, it's a contrast maroon color blouse with work like this. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AI485. Next sari. It's a beautiful mint green kora sari, printed florals with a crochet border here downside. And this is the pallu, complete thread embroidery, chikankari work. Beautiful chikankari work blouse, contrast. Sari pricing and details. It's 4,160. Take a screenshot along with the code U278. Next I'm going to show you a contemporary sari. Very pretty blue shade. We got a kora, printed kora with a Banarasi border. Mixed off and matter, two varieties. So all over printed florals, it's a blue color, blue with pink combination. And this is the border, Banarasi border with jal and animal weave and kaddi border. And this is the pallu, running pallu with zigzag border. This is attached dandi. It's a patchwork and matter. Kora paina, everything is in patchwork made. Superb gandhi. I'll be showing you the blouse. It's a kora blouse. Yeah. Contrast to pink color with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 15,760. Take a screenshot along with the code N22. Let's see this sari overall look once. Okay, overall look chuseddam. Beautiful mint green kora, beautiful printed diamonds with florals and lovely border, floral vines and zigzag kaddi. And this is the pallu, zari lines with print, blocks print, geometrical pattern. And we got a matka silk printed blouse, self color. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AG957. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this sari overall look once. Fusion sari. బ్యూటిఫుల్ కదా. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ సారీ. Banarasi Kora, very pretty royal blue with a bright pink combination, cross kadi lines, and lovely floral vines contrast border. Lovely pallu contrast with zigzag brocade, and the blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AH175. Next sari. Beautiful peach color. All over printed florals and the threadwork border with crochet lace here. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with threadwork border. Blouse, contrast plain matka silk blouse. సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ అండి, కాకపోతే ఇది కొంచెం బ్రైట్గా ఉండేసరికి సిల్క్ కొంచెం కాంట్రాస్ట్ లాగా అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ పీచ్ కలర్, లైట్ పీచ్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. ఇట్స్ 6640. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AH860. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ. Lovely navy blue Kora sari. Beautiful wavy dotted print and matta florals vachai. And lovely cross kadi and floral border. Self color. This is the pallu. Printed blocks and zari lines. Blouse self matka silk blouse printed. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AG958. Beautiful kada, lovely print. Next sari. It's a Banarasi Kora again with antique zari buttas, floral buttas. Very pretty Kanakambram shade. Very light and pale, orange shade andi. And beautiful floral vines and floral border. And this is the pallu, cross checks with diamond buttas. Everything is in antique zari. And the blouse, running blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 7280. Take a screenshot along with the code U259. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another sari. Wow, beautiful lime green andi, lime green printed floral Kora sari. Lovely thread work border, florals, and this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with thread work border. Blouse is self matka silk blouse printed. And sari pricing and details. It's 5,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AH683. Next sari. Beige printed Kora. Beautiful printed paisleys. So colorful and pretty. And border zari border zigzag with huge paisley motifs. Pallu, printed florals as well as zari lines. Blouse self matka printed blouse. Matka silk andi, blouse fabric vachesi printed. Sari pricing and details. It's 5520. Take a screenshot along with the code W470. చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉన్నాయండి. కోరాస్ ఆర్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్ అండ్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్. ఇట్స్ a white color Kora sari with printed florals. And zari buttas kuda vachai, chinna zari buttas, very minute and little. And the border is zari border, geometric pattern. And this is the pallu, tissue lines. Blouse, self small printed florals with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,360. Take a screenshot along with the code AI480. Next sari. Lovely brown Kora sari, printed florals, a beautiful zari border with floral vines. Pallu, running pallu ended up with zari lines. And this is the blouse, matka silk blouse, printed floral, self color. Sari pricing and details. It's 5440. Take a screenshot along with the code Y583. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah, let's see another sari. Beautiful lime green sari. Very pretty florals, printed florals, and lovely threadwork border, self color. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with threadwork border. Blouse, matka silk printed blouse, self color. Sari pricing and details. It's T189 is the code, 5,600 is the price. Take a screenshot and do send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another sari. Very pretty peach. Antique zari floral buttas. Lovely border. Kadi with designer lines and matta. Everything is in antique zari. And this is the pallu, complete cross checks with florals. Blouse, self with jotted lines and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 6,080. Take a screenshot along with the code AG340. Next sari. Lovely mustard printed floral Kora. Floral vines border. Zari border. And this is the pallu with zari lines. Running pallu. Blouse, self printed blouse with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,280. Take a screenshot along with the code AH539. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. To visit our store, it's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Padma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. Another sari. Yeah, it's a light blue, sky blue. Beautiful printed florals, Kora, and chinna buttas vachayandi, zari buttas, and small border, 2-inch zari border with geometric blocks. And this is the pallu with zari lines, huge florals with zari lines. And the blouse, self printed floral blouse with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,360. Take a screenshot along with the code AH544. Next saree, lovely pink color Kora saree, printed florals all over body, printed florals తో పాటు kundans and cutwork border with kardana pearls and stones. Lovely pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, it's a contrast navy blue blouse with work for sleeves and neck. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AI486. Next saree. Beautiful, the grey and beige ala undandi, light grey, very slight grey. Printed florals Kora saree, beautiful floral vines border. Pallu with zari lines, running pallu. Blouse matka silk, self color blouse, printed florals and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,280. AH552 is the code. And not only this sarees andi, we have a video calling facility also. Just oka chinna మీ కన్వీనియంట్ టైమ్స్ మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733333 నెంబర్కి. మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. మీకు ఏ శారీ కావాలో దే విల్ బి షోయింగ్ యూ, అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ శారీ. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. And do visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for more daily deals. Next saree, navy blue printed Kora saree. Navy blue printed Kora, all over kundans వచ్చాయండి, printed florals తో పాటు, and lovely cutwork border with kardana, stones, pearls and zardozi. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, beautiful contrast blouse with work for sleeves and neck. Ila lovely combination kada. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AI489. Yes, Andy, I'll be showing you my neck piece. Gorgeous, semi-precious, pure silver jewelry. It's a Nataraja symbol pendant with pacha. Beautiful pearls. ఇదంతా ఇలా వస్తుందండి. And this beautiful bangle is from Brand Mandir again. And these are the earrings. ఈ ప్రైజింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ కోసం, సిల్వర్ జ్యువెలరీ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ కోసం, పెండెంట్ కోసం just WhatsApp చేయండి. You can take a screenshot like this and send us on 7333 నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూసేద్దామా? ఎస్, కమ్. లవ్లీ లీవ్స్ వచ్చాయండి, వెరీ ప్రెటీ లీవ్స్, మల్టీ కలర్స్, అండ్ అలాగే థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ బుట్టాస్ కూడా వచ్చాయి. ఇట్స్ కోరా, very lovely beige color, thread work border. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with thread work, florals, border, beautiful andi. బిగ్ లీవ్స్ ప్రింట్ అండి ఇదంతా చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంది. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి మట్కా సిల్క్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్రింటెడ్ బ్లౌజ్. ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది సారీ. ఇట్స్ 5,920. టేక్ a screenshot along with the code AI481. సో ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా నావీ బ్లూ కలర్ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్విక్ లుక్. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah. Next saree. Banarasi Kora. Beautiful bottle green and parrot green combination. All over floral buttas. Beautiful floral jal border. Contrast. Pallu contrast with florals. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,640. Take a screenshot along with the code Z146. Very pretty. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. Lovely beige printed kora, floral printed kora, beautiful Banarasi floral wines and round brocade border. And this is the pallu, printed florals as well as zari lines. Blouse, self blouse printed as well as border. It's a matka silk fabric. Saree pricing and details. Lovely beige. Yeah, you can take a screenshot like this, Andy. Z795 is the code. Z795 is the code. 6,500 actual price. Offer price వచ్చేసి మీకు 5,200 పడుతుంది. Yeah, screenshot తీసుకున్నారు కదా. Just send us on 733-733-7000. ఇందాక చూపించిన బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ ప్యారెట్ గ్రీన్ సారీ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Yes, now back to our collection. Let's see another sari. It's a bottle green and red Kora sari. Stripes with floral buttas, small and medium size. Lovely contrast border with floral jal. And this is the pallu. Red color contrast pallu with stripes and zari lines. And the blouse. Yeah. Contrast Kora blouse with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 523. Next sari. It's a lovely Kora kalamkari printed florals, peacocks, beautiful. Border, very lovely olive green shade, and it's a bit darker shade, and lovely floral vines and zigzag borders. Pallu, complete florals achai with peacocks, beautiful, and zari lines downside. Blouse achesi matka silk blouse, beautiful blouse. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,920. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 479. Next sari. It's a half white and red color combination sari. Zari checks and floral buttas. And lovely contrast border with floral vines. Contrast pallu with zari lines and stripes. Blouse, it's a contrast matka silk blouse with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,440. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 529. Next sari. Indaka నేను చూపించాను కదా కలంకారీ olive green hand painted Kora sari. Let's have a quick look. So lovely. Next sari. It's a green color Kora sari. Multi-color printed stripes. Beautiful border, cross kadi and floral jal, floral buttas. Zari border, and this is the zari pallu with zari lines. Blouse matka silk blouse, self color printed. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 478. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Do visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for more daily deals. Let's see another super pretty sari. Lovely yellow printed Kora, floral printed, threadwork border, and lovely pallu, ended up with threadwork border. Blouse, self matka silk blouse with printed florals. Sari pricing and details. నెక్స్ట్ ఒక అద్రిపోయే శారీ వస్తుందండి, నా కళ్ళు అన్ని దాని మీదే ఉన్నాయి. 5040 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AH535. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next, wow, very 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 pretty shade అండి. I just love the combination. Lovely blue with a purple wine shade అలా వచ్చిందండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ అంతా మనకి షెడెడ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ లాగా వచ్చాయి ప్రింటెడ్. సో క్లాసీ అండ్ ఫ్యాబ్యులస్. And the border is floral vines and zigzag kaddi border. Beautiful pallu with a tissue lines, zari lines, contrast pallu and gorgeous blouse. Self printed blouse with border. So lovely and very soft and smooth. Sari pricing and details. It's 6080. Take a screenshot along with the code AH686. Very lovely kada. Next saree, lovely mint green Banarasi Kora, all over cross lines with leaves and lovely tissue border. So fabulous and lovely border. Look at the thickness of the border. It's a satin silk border, complete zari work. ఇదంతా వచ్చేసి పళ్ళు, బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్రొకేడ్ పళ్ళు, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ బ్రొకేడ్. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి కంప్లీట్ బ్రొకేడ్ బ్లౌజ్. సీ గ్రీన్ షేడ్లో ఉందండి, ఇదే సీ గ్రీన్ అలా ఉంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 13,840. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AC352. సో ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా సారీ, ఆ సారీ చూసేద్దాం. నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది సారీ. Dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Next saree, red and green Banarasi Kora, all over buttas, dotted buttas, and beautiful parsleys and florals border contrast. And this is the pallu contrast, zari lines. Blouse contrast all over. It's a matka silk blouse and a complete weave vachindi diamonds and florals. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI530. Next saree, it's a peach and grey combination, half and half saree, all over zari checks, beautiful florals and parsleys and vines in the border. Pallu zari lines. Blouse threadwork blouse and the contrast, peach color, very pretty. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AF779. Next saree, wow, అందులోనే ఇంకో షేడ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పింక్ అండ్ గ్రీన్, బ్రైట్ నియాన్ ప్యారెట్ గ్రీన్ అనమాట షేడ్. మధ్యలో ఏమో ఆరెంజ్ వచ్చింది. 3D సారీ అండి ఇది, 3D కలర్డ్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ జారీ చెక్స్, florals, paisleys in the border. This is the pallu, zari lines. Blouse, contrast, thread work all over, floral jal with border, without border. And saree pricing and details. It's 5,200 again. Take a screenshot along with the code AH461. Bright and beautiful. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా బనారసి కూర, రెడ్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ కలర్. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. You will find munias in border also andi. Upper side we got complete munia border. Next saree, purple and lime yellow, beautiful floral buttas. It's a kora, Banarasi kora. Florals తో క్రాస్ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయండి. లవ్లీ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ అండ్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ. పళ్ళు అంతా ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ బార్డర్స్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ పళ్ళు. బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్, కంప్లీట్ డాటెడ్ బుటాస్ అండ్ బార్డర్. ఇట్స్ ఎ మట్కా సిల్క్ బ్లౌజ్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. 5,040. Take a screenshot along with the code AI528. Next saree. Yes, name kattukuna saree loni I'm going to show you another saree. Very pretty mango yellow, beautiful floral buttas, double floral buttas, and lovely contrast jute border, beige color with floral vines, cross kaddi in zari. Pallu, it's a jute pallu. Blouse, yes, it's a jute blouse. It's a kora with jute border and border, zari border. చాలా బాగుంటుందండి, క్లాసీగా ఉంటుంది కాంబినేషన్. ఇట్స్ 5,680. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AI526. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ సెండ్ us on 7337337000. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, lovely blue, very pretty navy blue, sequence work. It's a kora saree, all over thread and sequence work, floral jal and floral vines border. Pallu, zari lines in the end. Blouse, super pretty blouse, matka silk blouse, contrast with zari checks. Saree pricing and details 7,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AH188. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, సో సీ గ్రీన్ విత్ yellow కాంబినేషన్ కోరా సారీ. ఫ్లోరల్స్తో క్రాస్ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయండి. వి గాట్ అ ఫ్లోరల్ బుట్టాస్ ఇన్ ఇట్ అండ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ yellow కలర్ బార్డర్, లెమన్ yellow విత్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ అండ్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ. పల్లు, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ బార్డర్స్, contrast pallu. Blouse, contrast brocade blouse. It's a matka silk blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,040. Take a screenshot along with the code AI527. Super pretty kada. And indaka nenu chuinchanu kada navy blue thread and sequence work with zari border. Let's have a quick look. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ నేను కట్టుకున్న సారీలోనే అనదర్ షేడ్ అండి, మింట్ గ్రీన్. Lovely mint green with the beige combination. Lovely dual floral buttas. Lovely floral and cross cutty border along with the jute border. Pallu and the jute pallu. Blouse contrast beige with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,680 అండి. It's 5,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AI524. Yes, 524. Yeah. Dear ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah. Now let's move to the mannequin sarees and the prices. Lovely yellow printed florals. Huge and small florals. And kundan stones kuda vachayandi. A beautiful border with gotapati stones and cut work. Border, super pretty border, cut work border, and the pallu is running pallu ended up with border. Blouse kuda work blouse vastundandi. Sari pricing and details. It's 6,240. Take a screenshot along with the code AI482. Next sari, very lovely blue printed florals along with the stone work and beautiful gorgeous border with gotapati and stone work. Very pretty, and we got a lovely backing also. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border and tassels, and we got a backing like this, yeah, pink color tho. Blouse kuda manaki ide color lo untundandi, chaala pretty ga undi. Saree pricing and details. It's 6,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AI483. Next saree, red beautiful Banarasi Kora floral vines to all over jal, and this is the border, curvy brocade and floral vines. And this is the pallu, tissue complete brocade pallu, florals and diamonds. Blouse వచ్చేసి navy blue లో ఉంటుందండి with border. ఈ saree pricing and details. It's 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code X848. And we teamed up this saree with this such beautiful, gorgeous R brand blouse. R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. So, ippudi varaku manam chusina beautiful Kora sarees. Let's have a quick look. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. చూసారు కదండి ఇవాళ లవ్లీ అండ్ ఫ్యాబ్యులస్ కోరా సారీ కలెక్షన్. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000 అనే నెంబర్కి. అండ్ దిస్ లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, IGTV, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో 24 hours టైం ఉంటుంది మీకు ఈ వ్యూవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్ అనేది. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా 24 hoursలో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు సెండ్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ అండ్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. For more daily deals, do visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. రేపటి లైవ్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all, stay fit, stay healthy.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.